The boy is back with another dancehall beat breakdown. And today, I'm going to show you how I made this soft R&B emotional dancehall beat. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So first off, guys, my main instrument. My main instrument is an electric piano that I got directly from FL Studio stock. So after that, I'm going to show you how I found that instrument. But let's just listen to my chord progressions that I have so far. Yeah, man. So that's my chord progression, and I'm in the scale of E minor, keeping it simple, going from E to D, way back to C. So basically, I'm just doing the first, the seventh, and the sixth chord in the scale of the E minor key. All right. So that's my main instrument is an electric piano. So I'm going to show you how I found it or where I found it. So okay, it's open already. So when you go to the browser, you go to packs. Yeah, this pack right here, click instrument, and we have keyboard, and we have post grand, electric, grand piano. So this is the electric piano that I'm using in that bit. So yeah, and I'm gonna go to my next instrument. Let's go to this one right here. I think that is a female vocal or something. And we're gonna listen to the female vocal by itself and look at the notes. By itself sounds strange, but when you play it with the chord progression, it always sounds together. And be mindful, every instrument that you choose, know what you're gonna do with it. Like the female vocal, from I started making the beat, I feel like I wanted a background instrument. So I feel like the female vocal will fit good for the beat I'm trying to make. Especially an emotional beat, you want those kind of songs in the back, in the background. If it's not a choir, you can find yourself a vocal loop or something, and just have it in the background of your chord progression. And yeah, and that's a good start from here. So yeah, man, that's what the song's like together with everything. I mean, the piano and the female vocal. Yeah, man, nice, clean, and simple. So now let's get to my next instrument, a bell, and let's listen to it. And I found this bell, yeah, in purity, yeah, man, sonic cat purity. So if you have that instrument, you can check it out. It's the smallest. It's in the bell and per category. Yeah, very interesting bell. Yeah, man. Just keep it simple and melodic. And let's listen to it with the female vocal and the chord progression. Let's hear that. Now, my lead is a guitar, but I'm not going to the guitar yet. Let's head to my pad and let's listen to the pad by itself. And that's what the pad song is like. So I'm just playing the E minor chord and that's it only. And as you can see, I only have it in the starting of the bars. So we basically have that as an, I would say it, as an entrance. I would say it like that. Yeah, so when you have that layer with the piano, just see how it comes in on the bell. Yeah, man, the pad sorts of act as an impact in that case. So every time it starts a fresh bar, you're gonna hear the pad comes in. And yeah, so now let's head to my guitar, which is my lead. And we're just gonna play it by itself. That's my guitar. Very, very simple, and you'll see why. Let me show you my pattern. My guitar pattern. Hold on, guys. And guys, always remember velocity. Play with velocity. That's how you get the humanized feel, more of a natural feel and that robotic feel that you hear in most of them guys' beats. You don't want that. You want to take the song real, even if you don't use a real instrument. So always utilize your velocity. So let's play the full melody. And you're gonna see the reason why my guitar is so simple. Because where my guitar isn't playing, the bell gonna take over and it's just fit nice. So basically it's the same call and response method that I'm using. So let's listen to it together. Everything. Full melody. Yeah man. Simple and yeah man, sick. So let's just head to my next instrument, my bass. Quite simple, just following my chord progression. Let me show you all my bass pattern. Yeah, man. For that bit, I didn't want too much slides. You know, it's an emotional bit. Yeah. So let's keep one slide. Just then the reason why I place a slide, because you know it's the same note, and you just want a different variation. You want the whole thing sounding the same, so you just give it a slide to go to the next note, and that's the reason why I gave it a slide. I'm gonna play the drums by itself. So that's my drums. Yeah, man, as I can hear, I'm not doing much. Again, simple. It's an emotional, sad R&B type beat, so you keep it simple, not too much snares going around. And by the way, I think I use a rim. The snare when you play in one, two places. If you listen. Yeah, man, very simple. And let's head to the verse. I have two different instruments in the verse. I have an 808 playing in the verse, and I have a piano playing in the verse. So let's just listen to it. So let's look at my 808 pattern. Let me show you what I did. Yeah, man. Simple and bad. Yeah, man, just fits with it. And nice, man. Let's look at my piano. Yeah, man, nice. And again, I found that piano in Expand, one of my most used plugin, piano software. Yeah, man. So that's what it sounds like. Everything together. Yeah, and one more thing before I leave, guys. Let's head to my git again. Let me show you what I did to make my guitar sound like this. Um, Guitar. Okay. Now let me take off this plugin, hardcore, and listen to the guitar without the hardcore on it. Sounds dry. So guys, what I did, I got this plugin, FS Studio, as you all know, stock plugin. I love using stock plugins. And you can copy the settings that I have and the presets that I use. So I use a tube drive, I use chorus, a reverb, and a delay. Yeah, man, and that's how I got that song. Matter of fact, I even saved it as a preset. I saved it as drip guitar because I love the preset, trust me. So that's why it sounds like with it. And without, completely big difference. Yeah, man. So guys, that's how it is done. That's how you make a smooth dancehall R&B emotional beat. Yeah, very simple. And again, thanks for watching. And I'm gonna keep doing more videos coming up this month. So keep your eye out. You don't know. Job Islam. I'm out.